$8,966,377. The outstanding interest on the loans at 30th June 2022 was at $5,163,149 shillings. Honorable Speaker, the committee recommends that within 6 months upon the adoption of the report, the accounting officer to provide a progress report on the recovery of the principal loan and the outstanding interest receivable to the Auditor General for audit verification. Undisputed land, undistributed land. Honorable Speaker, the committee observed that the land in Kisimanjaro in Nakuru County that was meant for resettlement of the IDPs in 2012 had not been surveyed or subdivided, and therefore the beneficiaries had not settled over 10 years after the purchase of the land due to ongoing court cases which restrained the Land Settlement Fund from interfering with the land parcel. Honorable Speaker, the committee also observed that the delay in the distribution of the land for the informal settlers in Mikanjuni Farm in Kilifi County and Kazandani land in Mombasa County was occasioned by the ongoing planning to cater for the amenities such as access roads and public utility facilities. Madam Speaker, the committee recommends that the accounting officer to fast-track the resolution of the dispute with the county government of Kilifi to bring the matter to a conclusion and settle the IDPs, and within 3 months of the adoption of this report, the accounting officer to provide progress report on the resolution of the dispute to the Auditor General. 2, Madam Speaker, the committee recommends within 6 months of the adoption of this report, the accounting officer to provide a status report on the resettlement of the informal settlers in the Kazdani land to Auditor General for the audit verification. Madam Speaker, the committee observed that a field verification conducted by the Office of the Auditor General during the month of September 2022 sampled land adjudication and settlement officers revealed that stations operated a bank account for funds received for the office administration but did not maintain a cash book. Further, the monthly bank reconciliation statement had not been prepared and submitted to the National Treasury with a copy of the Office of the Auditor General as stipulated under Regulation 90/1 of the Public Finance Management Regulations 2015. Madam Speaker, the committee noted that the accounting officer's submission that all the county land adjudications and settlements officers in charge were instructed by the Office of the Director of Land Adjudication and Settlement to adhere to Regulations 90/1 of the Public Finance Management Act for control, accountability of finances, and smooth, efficient running of office operations. Excuse me. Madam Speaker, the committee recommends that the accounting officer to ensure that proper applicable accounting and financial control systems, standards, laws, and procedures are followed in the preparation of the financial statement in the compliance with the Public Finance Management Act 2012 and in accordance with the standard prescribed by the Public Sector Accounting Standard Board as per the Regulation 101/4 of the Public Finance Management National Government Regulations 2012. Madam Speaker, there was also discrepancies in report receipts. The committee observed that 21,613,549,219 revenue collection by the Railway Development Fund holding account for the financial year 2018-2019 was not supported by analysis of receipt from Kenya Revenue Authority, KRA. The actual figure for performance of 5,815,007,642 as per the summary of the budget was erroneously posted to the statement of receipt and payment. However, the erroneous figures was replaced with the correct figure of 21,613,544,290. The committee noted that the accounting officer submission that the receipt as per the summary of the budget versus actual performance figure were erroneously posted to the statement and the correct amount was later posted.